yeah, I was going to show you guys just a few things. So like, yes, this works all day, every day, right? So I just want to show you a client of ours, and I'm having to put and just so y'all know too, like I'm having to put the geo modifier here because we're in South Carolina, right? So if you see, your results will be different than mine. And again, remember it's proximity based, right? So Google knows that I'm in Charleston when I'm searching this. So the results you would get, the results in Beaverton, like just know that they're always different, right? And that's why you want to dominate wherever your office is. But again, like, so that, and he's number 3 for this particular search term, right? So what I told you earlier, and we're working with him on this. Like, he's the only one with a 5.0 rating, but again, I know that he's only got 15 reviews versus 42, so we're working on with him to get him more 5-star reviews. But he's number 3. I mean, he's getting a ton of calls. He's only number 3. Again, our job is to help push him up in these rankings. And then here's his site, ranking number 3. I mean, we're only below Yelp and HomeAdvisor, which are some of the most powerful websites on the internet. So I'd say he's not doing too shabby, right? Here, this is just another keyword, right? Flood services. He's number 3 for here. Again, number 3 in the organic rankings, right? Here's something cool too I want to show you guys. In Denver. And again, sometimes we hear like Denver. If any of you guys are in Denver, it's a big boy market. It's top 3 most competitive cities when it comes to restoration in the country for sure. And if you're in Denver, you know that you got to know what you're doing there. So I just want to show you, like, so we're not going to go too technical, but this is called structured snippet. So if you do a lot of things I just talked about in the webinar, you can get these. So they're number 1 organically, but look at we've even got pictures showing up because remember we implemented the media strategy that I told you guys, and they're getting all this real estate for free on this page for that search term, right? So I mean that's huge. You're getting a ton of traffic and calls from this alone. So again, this stuff is important. Yes, it works. Yes, it'll get calls. And yeah, here's a client too. So he's got 19 reviews versus the rest. Number 1 in the 3-pack. And I think we just got him to page 1 recently. And again, this stuff doesn't. I don't want you guys to think that you can just do this and then tomorrow be ranking number 1. Like SEO does not work like that, but it could be a game changer. Right? So here he's on the. We got him number 8 right now, right? So we got him there. So now our job is to push him up the rankings, right? Because I showed you guys he's already getting a ton of business from being here, but now we want to get him here. Because that's when we know. Again, remember, I think it was 67% of the clicks go to the top 5, right? So we got them halfway there with that keyword. Now our job is to get them up, to bring the website up with it, right? So, I did want to show you too, because all right, yeah. So what do the rankings mean? It's you want phone calls, right? So I just want to show you guys. This is These are 2021, right? So you can get, like, some of you, this might not be that many calls. I get it, right? It depends on how, like, some of these are running paid ads with it. Most of these calls, as you can see, are website SEO, Google My Business. And again, some of you larger guys on here, 10 million plus, like, I understand this is not. These are one location number of calls, which is not too bad, right? 124 calls a month in the restoration world. Based on experience is okay, right? And then we're actually helping them ramp that up even more, right? Because you can take it to the next level. But again, all these rankings I'm showing you guys, traffic, phone calls, business. So I just want, whether just please don't. SEO is important. Yes, it works. Yeah, I mean, this is 150 calls in a month from just SEO and Google My Business. He's crushing it. Actually, we're having a. And he's too busy right now, but that's a good problem to have, right? Yes, it can be more than this. Some of you bigger guys, but I know I talked to some kind of like, man, if we get 100 calls, and again, it depends on your market too, right? I don't want to act like these clients. Yes, they get no less than 120 calls a month, but it depends on the market you're in, right? Some markets you're not going to get that, but you do want to dominate in the market you're in. Is what I've talk to most of the restoration clients about. So it depends on the market you're in, depends on the demographics, the time of year, the weather. I mean, there's a lot of factors, right? The Northeast is different from Florida. There's hurricanes versus pipe bursts in the Northeast. There's a lot of factors. But I just want to show you guys that this is important when I'm talking about works. It can get you guys results. Just showed you guys kind of a roadmap on how to get there. Hope you got value out of that video. If you're looking for more ideas and strategies for better ways to market your water, mold, or fire damage restoration business online, you can go to restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there we have a free checklist you can download. It's called the Ultimate Online Marketing Guide for Damage Restoration Contractors. And there you'll be able to get the latest strategies that are working now to really increase your lead flow online. You could probably even 5 to 10x the number of leads you're getting per month from internet marketing. So there should be a link below, restorationmarketinggroup.com, and there you can download the checklist for free of charge, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.